Okay. My phone rang. Okay, now there's like a little thingy in the head here that we snap the mouth into. And it does, the mouth opens and closes. Okay. Now, we take the other side of the head. And snap it in. Looks like a little ghost Lugia. I'm dumb, I'm sorry. Okay. Now we need on A2, piece 10 and 11. There's his little crests on his head. Piece 10 and 11. And those snap into his eyes. I'm scared I'm gonna break it. Ah! Okay, got that one. Oh my god, no it didn't. Okay, let's see. Try this again. It's so tiny. These little pieces. There it goes. Okay, I got it that time. Okay. There's like 3 little grooves that these stick into. Good lord. There's little mouth moves. How cute. His head and... see. So. Okay. Now we take his little chest. We snap the chest in. That was the easiest part. Okay. Now we take his little back. Oh. Let's set this down. I like how they also make it so the tabs that you pop it off of don't show, because that would really be dumb. Say pap, you pat his evening. You pap his lip. I keep saying it. Oh my god. Need sleep. You pop the little back tabs in. You have a little cover for those. How nice. Then his little leg haunchy things. So 3 and 4. Actually, no, that one. Okay. Ah! Slide into the circular disc. Like that. Kind of like that. Not exactly like that. Probably not like that. And there's like a whole bunch of little tabs that they need to pop into. Which is good, you know, because it's not going to fall apart or something. But it's annoying. So. Okay, so I got one leg. And next is the foot. Which also has 2 pieces. They're just like adding things to make it harder. It's not... Okay, 16 and 15. Oh, really? They're both 16 and 15. Both little pieces Like, the top pieces of the foot here, they're both 16, and the bottom pieces are both 15. That makes things nice. So, we put the foot together. Like that. And slide it. Slide it right on in. Very good. And now this next little leg. Now we're almost done with these two little things. There we go. His little legs move. That's cool. I like his mouth. Oh, cool. Okay. So then it's saying I could do something with the tail here. Oh. Oh. Okay, watch if you didn't see that. The tail goes down like that, and you can push it back up and have it like this, or the other way. How neat. So now we're putting together his stand, which is on this last little thing. Okay. So we have piece 17. Snaps right off. Piece 16. Oh god, this one's being... Okay. And piece 15. This is cute because it's a little Pokeball. So oh, balls. Pokeballs. Like that. Well, what's this other piece here? Oh. Okay, so this is nifty. You can have him sitting on it like this. Let's see if I can pull this up here so you can see a little better. He could be sitting on it like that. And he just kind of rests on this thing. Then you exchange it out for this other piece. Pop. You take his tail, you flip it around and pull it down. Take this piece off. Set this piece in. And it snaps into the place with his tail here. Just like that. And he can sit like this. How nice. I like that. So I'm going to unhook him real quick. Snap his little tail back. I'm supposed to put the top mouth sticker on. They just now said to put this on here. The top mouth sticker. This is the first time I've actually been any kind of good at putting stickers in. And now we put his little eyes in. This is the important part, so let's see if I can get this sticker in there right. Alright, there's one eye. And he's all complete. Let me give me a little tail butt down and set him. Oh, well now I can't, can I? So, there we go. And again, this is a very neato figure. This like has to be one of my favorites right now. Because his little feet move, his wings and head move. He has two stands, or two options for his stand. His little mouth opens and closes. And you get to put him completely together. So, for any Lugia collectors out there, I'd highly suggest getting this figure. It's a lot of fun. I had fun putting him together. He's not too expensive. I got this for $17, well, I mean, the person who bought it for me got it for about $17, $18 with shipping. Or maybe a little bit more. I don't remember what the auction was. But he's a lot of fun. And I would suggest getting him. For any Lugia collectors, this is a must-have. He's not expensive. He's relatively easy to get. Just go on eBay. And again, I'm going to show you the box. Here's the front of the box. It's in all Japanese. These aren't sold in America. The eBay seller was from Japan. Yeah, so like I said, I'll find out more about this figure and I'll post a little bit more on him. But anyway, I would highly suggest getting it. He's very cute. He's really detailed, especially for a figure that you put together. He moves, and he has two separate stands, so you can have him posing two separate ways, which makes me want to get another one to pose in the other way. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all soon on my next video, which will I'm not sure what it will be, but we'll see. I'll see y'all again on my next video. Bye!